Okay guys, today we've got the Simply Earth Oils recipe box. It's filled with essential oils and other things you can make around the house. This one comes with the bonus box this month, so you get a bit of extra bonus stuff. So to my understanding, this is the actual box that you get, and this big box is the bonus stuff. So we'll go through this small box first. So here's a page of stickers. Has all listed all the oils, and this one says Acreleaf Roll-On Blend, Ornament Diffuser Recipe, Charcoal Toothpaste. I'm gathering this is all the stuff that you can make within the box. Here are your recipe cards. This month's has got Christmas Spray, Into the Woods Charcoal Toothpaste, Holiday Diffuser Blend, Purifying and Exfoliating Charcoal Face Mask, Acreleaf Roll-On, and Ornament Diffuser Recipe. Inside the box, got one wooden Christmas ornament. I think the idea is you soak this in oils, hang it on the tree, and it looks good and smells fantastic. One spray bottle, it's empty at the moment. There is a recipe here to make. What have we got to make? A Holiday Diffuser Blend is made with this, I believe. And we've also got one activated charcoal. It says it's very messy, so I won't be opening this on the video. Oops. It also comes with your 4 essential oils. This month we have Simply Earth Relief, Simply Earth Lemon Eucalyptus, Simply Earth Wintergreen, and Simply Earth Pine Scotch. So that's what you get in the small regular box. Now we'll check out the bonus box and see what it's got. Okay, so as I said, this is the big bonus box, big value. What's included? Coconut oil, almond oil, fractionated coconut oil, roll-on bottles, and 5ml bottles. Over $40 in value. Your bonus box includes carrier oils, coconut oil, beeswax, and containers to help you make the recipes for your next 6 recipe boxes. Each month you'll still receive your recipe box jam-packed with 4 essential oils, recipe cards, containers, and more fun extras. Okay, so every 6 months you get this bonus box. It gives you all the stuff to make the recipes. So, one clear jar. Another empty clear jar. Coconut oil. Packet of beeswax, a bottle of almond oil, and a bottle of coconut oil. The rest of these are all empty bottles, so you get 6 of these small brown bottles and 6 of these large roll-on bottles. So that's your bonus box. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.